finally guys, first load of the year. You get to start making some money. Instead of working on a dump truck all winter, we can go make some money with it and see how she performs. Alright, we just fired it up here. And yeah, we'll go get loaded here. See how it goes. Get rid of this load. I graveled this one a few years ago, this whole road back on a chicken trail. This one here still looks pretty nice. We graveled this whole thing, ditched this corner up here, come around this corner up here, we ditched all this, cleaned it all out. Geez, it looks nice yet. Really nice. Wow, look at that, ditched it out. Oh, it's filling in a little bit though. Yeah, right there, and it's going to push back on the road. He doesn't clean that back out. One thing about gravel roads, it's always maintenance. Never-ending maintenance. But no, this looks really good. Wow. When I first came in here, before I graveled this thing, this was a disaster, this road was. Oh man, it was potholes all over, ruts. This was years ago though. I probably did this 2 years ago. So this is actually holding up really well. He just wants another load of gravel just to fill in, I don't know what, I guess, really. Because this all looks real good. Nice looking road. Right there at the little low spot, but me rolling in on it, fully loaded, ain't helping out real a lot though. I mean, it's yeah, look at that. That's a nice looking road right there. Ooh, that is nice. God, they do good work. Look at that. Nothing washed out. I mean, this is 2 years ago, so I mean, you know, Mother Nature in 2 years. Really? You did a nice job in this one. It's a long ways in here. I'm just driving in slow. Oh, it looks like the little culvert here washed out a little bit. On both sides. Oh, the culvert's junk. Culvert's junk. What happens is the top of the culvert gets a hole in it, and then you get a washout on the top of the culvert because it's sucking it down through the culvert or down through that hole into the culvert. I've seen it a million times. The culvert's junk. Got to rip the culvert off, put a new culvert in, and you're gonna go, oh, this section right here got some real ruts in it though. And I want to say we added a bunch of material here too, like a lot to raise this up. And it looks like it's sunk in again. I'm just wondering if I'm going to sink out of sight right now. I mean, we're early in the spring right now, obviously. We ain't got no leaves on the trees or nothing. And it's early, man, and this gravel is still wet. See, our gravel's got a lot of clay in it up here. So our gravel holds a lot of material, or a lot of moisture in it. And the freaking shit's heavy. You go an hour south of here, that's a whole different ballgame. But where I'm at, yeah, it's different. Sure. Yeah, it looks like this here, you know, this could use a little gravel here. This isn't that great. Maybe we didn't gravel this part of it. No, I don't know. Maybe we only graveled that corner, because this doesn't look that new here. I don't know, like I said, it was a couple years ago. I don't remember what we graveled, what we didn't gravel. I've done hundreds of jobs since then. Alright, when I done, we'll video it. there you go. Got that one delivered. Let's get back out of this chicken hole. I mean, look at that. See that up there right in front of me? That's snow. There's still snow out here. It is so wet. Just the roads, everything. It's early, way